Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Festives are always marked with sweetness. During this festive season, we present to you an amazing recipe of Carrot Halwa. The Carrot Halwa is a carrot-based sweet dessert pudding from the Indian cuisine. Here, the carrots are cooked in milk with saffron and nuts. It is really delicious and an easy to make dessert recipe. So, let's get started. For this recipe, I am taking 1 kg of fresh carrots. First, clean the carrots and then make them dry. Now, let's peel the carrots to remove the outer skin. As we know, carrots are good sources of vitamins and minerals. So, try to include them in your diet either in the raw form or incorporate them into your favorite dish. Once all the carrots are peeled, then we're going to grate the carrots. For this, I'm using a small blade to get the small gratings. So here we have the grated carrots. Now let's begin with the cooking of Carrot Halwa. For that, heat a pan at medium. Then add the grated carrots into the pan. And keep to cook at medium flame. On cooking, the carrots will release the moisture. So we need not add extra fluids while cooking. Cook the carrots for about 5 to 10 minutes. You may also cover with a lid and cook to fasten the process. We need to continue the cooking till all moisture evaporates from the carrot and they become dry. So here we have the carrots almost cooked. At this point, we're going to add the next ingredient. Traditionally, this recipe calls for a dairy product. And for that, here I'm using 2 cups of full fat milk. So now let's add the milk to the carrot. But in case if you're intolerant to dairy products, you may also use any vegan milk like almond milk or coconut milk. After adding the milk, keep the flame at low. And let's continue the cooking till the milk thickens and blends with the carrot. Now for an additional aroma, I'm also going to add saffron and a pinch of cardamom powder. Then give a good mix and continue the cooking. After about 15 minutes, we can see the milk has dried up and is absorbed by the carrots. This gives an amazing, rich and creamy flavor to the carrot halwa. Now into the same pan, I'm going to add some fresh ghee. When the ghee starts to melt, let's add some almonds, cashew nuts, and pistachios, and roast them in the ghee for a few minutes. This gives the halwa a rich flavor and a crunchy feel. After roasting the nuts, combine all together. As we are making a sweet dessert, now it's the time to add sugar. You may increase or decrease the amount of sugar as per your need. Sugar gives an authentic flavor and perfect texture to the dish. Mix in well and allow the sugar to melt. Keep at low flame and continue the cooking for another 5 minutes. Lastly, I'm going to add a pinch of salt to balance the sweetness. So now we are almost done with the cooking, and our carrot halwa is ready to serve. At this time, off the flame. Here we get to know the perfect texture when the sugar is fully absorbed and the ghee starts to release. And a delicious carrot halwa is ready to serve. It tastes really well when you have it while it's warm. You may also store it for about 2 or 3 days. Garnish it with your favorite fruits and nuts and enjoy. Do try this recipe in this festive season and enjoy with your family. And also, if you like this recipe, do share with us your feedbacks. Thank you for being with us. Stay happy and see you next time.